In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client portal using the Wix Members Area app. We'll start by installing the Members Area on your Wix site. Open your website in the Wix editor, then go to the left side and click Add Apps, which is the grid icon. In the search bar, type Wix Members Area, then click Add to Site. Once you do that, Wix automatically installs the core member features your portal needs. This usually includes default pages like Login, Sign Up, and My Account. So you don't have to build those from scratch. That saves time and gives your clients a familiar, easy login experience right away. Next, let's set up the login bar so clients can actually access their portal easily. Go to Add Elements using the plus icon. Then choose Community and select Login Bar. Drag that login bar into your site's header. Placing it in the header is helpful because it makes the login option visible from any page on your site. After that, click Set Up Login Bar to customize how it looks and behaves. For example, you can choose whether it displays an avatar or the member's name, and you can also review sign up and privacy settings so the experience matches the kind of portal you want to create. Now it's time to create the actual client-specific page. Click the Pages and Menu icon on the left sidebar. Inside the Members Area section, hover there and click Add a Member Page. Choose to add a blank page, then give it a clear name such as Client Dashboard or Client Portal. If you are creating multiple portals, use a naming style that helps you stay organized. Once the page is created, click the three dots next to it and select Hide, so it won't appear in your main site menu. That keeps your public navigation clean while still allowing approved members to access their private content. After that, you will restrict access and add the content your clients need. Click the three dots next to your new page, go into Settings, and open the Permissions tab. Set the page access to members only. If you want certain pages to be visible only to certain clients, choose only members with specific roles. This is an important setting if you are managing separate portals for different people or groups. Then start adding the content that belongs inside the portal, such as external widgets, embedded dashboards from tools like Google Drive or Notion, or Wix apps already connected to your site, like Wix Bookings, Wix Stores, or Wix Invoices. Before going live, switch to preview mode using the button at the top right of the editor. This lets you test the login process and see the member pages the same way your clients will. Once everything looks right, click Publish to make your client portal live. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.